Hello everyone, Monica here with a new video. I hope you're doing well. Thank you all so much for coming to my channel. For those of you that have been here before and are subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and for being subscribed. For those of you that maybe this is your first time in this channel or you're returning but you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. So today I wanted to talk to you about one of my SkullPandas, and I also want to talk to you about this item that I came across, and it's a Coach item. Okay guys, so the SkullPanda that I got came in, I got it from through the Pop Mart what do you call it, app, I can't think. And I don't have any of these. This would be my first SkullPanda from this collection. I'm gonna insert the name here because I'm not gonna butcher the French. And yeah, so I think these are based on like flowers or nature or something like that. So it came in this cardboard box, and I have a short open in her. So all I'm gonna do is just, this has already been opened. This is the box that she came in. Those are the choices, and that's the back of the box. I've already opened this. Like I said, I've made a short video on this where I unboxed it. So here's the usual SkullPanda bag that they come in, and the SkullPandas are like the Labubu's, but then again, I only have the two Coke Labubu's, so yeah, I don't know. But the SkullPandas always seem to come with like a see-through bag on top of their head. She is the pink one, so she's got the pink what do you call it, hook, and the pink little ribbon on top of her head. That's the bottom of her feet. She's got like this kind of like a collar, like little petal, see-through petal fabric, kind of like a collar. And her eyes are pink, and her eyes are movable, so sometimes they move around, and that's a little bit creepy, but they're adorable. I mean, as I mentioned in other videos, I found SkullPanda due to the Pop Mart app, and I kind of typed in one night plush or plushes, and all the plush ones came out, and I saw these and I thought that was the cutest thing I've ever seen, and I adore them. The Labubus I'm not too crazy about because of the big smile and all. I mean, I think it's cute that they're monsters, but anyways, I prefer these. So yeah, I got her. There is her card, and that is her name, and she would be this one right here. I mean, I think any of them would have been cute. I think this would have been cool to get, and maybe something in green, because I don't really have anything green to go with my green bags, but that is that. So we got her. Shut up. What? I think I just got an idea. What? Why do they look so cute? Oh, guys, what? It's going on right now. I mean, girl, what? Before I had hooked her from the side over here, but then I decided to hang her from this ring. She's so cute. They look so cute together. Ah! I love it. Mwah. Anyways, let's move on to the next thing. So I came across this item, and I just had to get it because I mentioned to you guys that lately I've been gravitating towards these bags, and yeah, I have no idea when this bag got released, but I was able to find her new. It's all wrapped, and when I say wrapped, I mean factory wrapped, and the tags are hanging from it. So if you all know anything about this Coach bag, let me know. If you know when it got released, was it like a year ago, 2 years ago? Do you guys know anything about it? Was it like a summer piece? Was it like a spring piece? Was it like, what was it? Anyways, so the seller sent it to me like this. So here's the item. And can you all guess what it is by the shape? It came in this Coach plastic bag. The bag has a sticker, one of the Coach stickers on the side, and it's got the name written on it. And I'm about to reveal it when I show you. Let me grab this in a way that I'm not gonna drop it. No, it's not a puppy. This is a Coach Rogue in crochet. The actual name is, this is what the sticker says. Guys, this is completely crocheted, and I think you guys know that what attracts me is the use of different materials and fabrics or finishing. I like to see something different. I like to see something altered. I like to see something that just we're using different materials, especially when we're like mix and matching stuff. That's why I'm attracted to like patchworks. The tags got crocheted around the edges. Are you guys familiar with this bag? First of all, have any of you guys seen this bag? Have any of you guys have this bag in crochet? I don't know if it only came in a 20. I have no idea. I don't know anything about it. But I came across her and I was like, wow. Completely, for the most part, looks factory wrapped. And here is the tag. Here's a little tag from the seller and the tag from Coach Crochet Rogue 20. It seems like this bag was originally or retail for $6.95. I have 2 20s now. I have never bought them retail. I bought them after the fact. So I did some research and they seem to go for around $6.95 depending on the material. I paid a lot less for this, even though it's brand new. Again, I don't know if somebody was sitting on it. I don't know what happened. But this bag seems to sell for the size 20s, I guess. I'm not sure, but this sticker says $6.95, and I kind of did a little bit of digging, and the 20s seem to go for that amount, depending on the material. So, yeah, I'm not, anyways, I paid very well under that, even though this is, I mean, look at this. This is one of the little rings. I just took the, what do you call it? The foam off of it. Inside, I'm assuming it's gonna have crossbody strap as it's supposed to. Yes. Something just fell. Here, okay. Inside are both the crossbody strap, and I can tell this one's a little bit wider. And these are the 2 shoulder straps. You can see they're attached by that. And the single one is for the crossbody strap, and these 2 that are taped together, it's gonna be for the shoulder. And of course, you can always carry her by the top handle. Let's see what color these straps are. Okay, so they are a brown color. The handles, you have the brown, and you have, wow, you have this crochet stitching on the edges. Let me take some of this stuff off. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've taken as much as I can off of this without like having to take everything off, because this is gonna take a minute. So I took the covering of the handles, and you can see the hardware. Hold on one second. Okay guys, I'm trying this ring light. I don't know if you can all tell the difference, but I had to put it on. But anyways, so look at the color in this bag. It's like an orange. Okay, the color for this on the tag says faded orange. To me, this is like a, yeah, like an orangey coral color. I mean, it's beautiful. And oh, look at all that. It's all knitted. It says crochet, but yeah, knitted, crochet, whatever. Here is the dust bag, and it still has all the stuffing inside. The front pocket, we have foam. Look at that. It's all crocheted on the inside pocket. And it's all crocheted in the back pocket. I don't see any pockets within these pockets. And the entire inside is crocheted. So there's no like interior lining. They just left it like that. It does have the crease there. And there is no pockets in this at all. I don't know if my other 20 has a pocket on the inside, but I know my my denim patchwork does. It has like a pocket in here, like on this side or back here somewhere. But since this is all crocheted, there is no extra pockets or inside compartments for cards or anything. You'll just have your front, your middle, and your back. We got feet. Obsessed with the color of the brown. Yes, this bag makes me think of all year round. I'm gonna tell you why. This is like, to me, this is like a fall-y color, but because of the material, because it's crocheted, it can also pass as like a basket, which makes you think like spring, even summer. Especially with the crochet, I think about like light, not necessarily like, you know, thick sweater, has to be winter. But this is like, for sure, I see this as like a basket kind of bag, you know, kind of resembles a basket. So spring, summer, definitely fall because of this color. Okay, can we talk about this peach? Can we talk about it? Oh. Can we talk about it? Can we talk about the pretzel? Look at the color of the pretzel against the leather, the brown leather. It's so close. Guys, what? What has happened to me and Rogues? I have fallen into the depths of Rogue craziness. Okay? All right. So that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. I wanted to show you the SkullPanda, and I wanted to show you this beautiful find. So glad I came across it. Again, if any of you have any information about this Rogue, when it got released, any of you guys have it? Was it part of another collection that maybe there was other pieces similar to it? I don't know. Any information or anything that you know about this, leave your comments below and let me know. Let me know if you want to see later what I can carry in my bag and how I'm gonna decorate it. Yes, so thank you all so much for coming to my channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Give me a like, share, comment. Don't forget to ring the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.